Hello everybody, it's Ashwin Rao, and I'm coming at you with a Viberg 310 service boot. Aggressive styling, clean stitching, a leather from Horween, which is the rowdy Dachshund leather, which is destined for a life in the fast lane of patina. Topped off with those rawhide laces and oxidized eyelets. Just killing it with this model. Look at that stitch density on the stitch down construction. Done cleanly. This is clearly an upgrade in this fall winter 2021 collection compared to any of the previous Viberg boots I've owned. Cleanly done, right up there with some of the best boot makers in the world. Viberg clearly recognized they're paying premium prices, so they better offer premium quality. As we peer at this boot from above, you see how the boot catches light. As we stare into the details, you see the quality of that rowdy Dachshund leather. You see the details just crushing it, Viberg. I'm very impressed. This is clean work. Viberg also includes an impressive toe box, which is fit for many different types of feet, and a very aggressive toe spring. I would say that this shoe allows many different feet to be accommodated, and I would consider sizing one down from your Brannock. Above, we look with these boots on the feet, and everything is done well. Viberg, this is my most impressive impression of you as a boot company. You gotta keep up this great work. This boot is killing it. The 310 just feels like a flex of the bicep in the face of a bully. These guys really allow the boot wearer to feel strong, confident, and ready to roll. In all seriousness, guys, this is just a great boot. Enjoy it.